So this is how you make the rings for this challenge. First of all, as you can see over here, this is the micro tubing. You can get these from me or you can purchase your own. This micro tubing is 1x4 inch drip irrigation thing. So it says 100 feet tubing. You get them in 100 feet. You obviously don't need 100 feet. But what I did is essentially I need to cut a 18-inch piece approximately, 18.84 inches, because that's how much the circumference comes in. So here's the tape, and let's say I am measuring all the way to 18.34. So that's right there. Okay, almost right there, 18.75. So I'm just gonna mark it with my thumb here, put a dent in this, and then I can just use a simple cutting knife like this one to actually cut it. It's pretty easy to cut, like just force it and on a piece of wood. And now this is about an 18-inch piece. The thing is, and now these are essentially called barbed connectors for these. So these allow us to connect two pipes over here. This actually fits in here. The thing is, this thing is super difficult to get in because it's very, very rigid plastic. So to alleviate all the work that is required pushing it in, what I'm going to do is I heated water in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And right now it's pretty hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the two ends in, and I'm going to leave it there for maybe something like 30 seconds. This water has been sitting here for maybe a good minute or minute and a half. So might be a little cold by now, but hopefully this will do the job. I already made a ring like this before. Here, that's how essentially it looks like after it is built. As you can see, this is a little bit hard to see, but there, that's the edge where it's dead. And we are just basically waiting again a few more seconds so that it becomes a little bit soft, a little bit pliable, so these things go in easily. Otherwise you'll just be trying to split your nails, or your fingertips will be very, very sore after you're done pushing. Let's see if it's a little soft. Still a little bit of work required here. Let's give it just a teeny bit more time. In worst case, if this doesn't go through, you can heat the water again and try. When it was super hot, it was really, really easy. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, that seems a little bit pliable. So here, this end, it's like an arrow anyways. There it goes in, as you can see. Now it's going in, push, push, and now it's a little bit in, push a little bit more, and it's almost completely in there. Okay, so now as you can see, this thing has gone all the way to the edge. Now let's quickly try the second edge there, and believe me, this was super hard when the plastic was not pliable. This one actually went in without any. And after this, you have a ring. I mean, this is about as round as we're gonna add, and this works just fine for the robot. So that's how you create the rings for this challenge. Thank you for watching.